Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 19th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyber block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. Number 8217. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, it's disappointing, publisher, because again a wrong indication. I've counted all the puzzles. The 2 stars has 27 printed digits. Should be 26. This one has 3 stars. Should be more difficult than the previous one. Well, this one has 31 printed digits. Wow. Don't think it's a 3 stars. And this one, the 4 stars, 24. So always the 4 stars is always 24 in the additional. Well, so I'm disappointed. Disappointed because this if this is going on in the future, maybe I will drop this 3 stars puzzle because it's too easy to solve. And people are solving the puzzles in 5 minutes, maybe in 4 minutes. So it's not. It must be a challenge to solve the puzzle, but this is not a challenge. All right. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 31, I think it's 0 stars. 0 stars, you need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. All right. Question is this a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with this one. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for 9 should be there. Then can I do this here the same? Let me check. No. Alright. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4. It should be there. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here. Or there, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 9, 5. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 6, okay. Need a 2 here. 3. Need a 9 here. Come on. 2, 6, 3. Well. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, 3, and a 6. We have 3, 2, 3, and a 6 in this column. So no 2, 3, and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 3 and a 6 goes in those 3 boxes. Well, here can be a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. So the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Alright. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1, 7. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. Look, we have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 in that row. No 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are left. Alright. 1 box left in the middle column. Number 1. Yeah. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 place left for the 1 should be here. Or there we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, let me see. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot it out. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4, the 5, 4, the 5. That means 1 box left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing here. Alright. 8 is missing. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And we have all the 1s. Yes. We have all the 1s. Okay. Need a 6 there. And I need an 8 there. Let me think. 4. Need a 4 there. Need a 5. Yeah, need a 5 here. Nine. Need 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the 5th column. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 there. Okay. Need an 8 there. Need a 3 there. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with the 6 in this big square. Shoot it down. Need a 3 here. Well. No 3 there. Need a 3 there. Need a 3. Come on. 3. Yeah. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. But the 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this column. First column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7. Well, Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 7 and the 4. Two missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So two numbers left in this big square. 2, 4, 7. Well, we have a 4 here, so the 2 and the 7 are left. 2 and the 7, we have a 7 there in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Okay. How about these two missing numbers? 1, 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait here. 2 and a 3. 2, 3, 4, and a 9. 2, 4, 3 and a 9. 2 and a 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. Alright. Oh, 7 and 9. Overlook this 9. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. So this can't be 7 anymore. Alright. 2, 7 and the 3. 2, 6 and a 3. Okay. How about these? 2 and a 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column. So the column between. Second column. The only place level 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 3 and a 6. We have 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. So we have 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 in the column next. So no 6 there. Only place left. The 6 should be there. So I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4, 6, and the 8. Well, the 6 we have here. So the 4 and the 8 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The final number in this big square should be the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 40 minutes. Maybe I talk too much. Well, but it's definitely not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.